Hello, Time Wranglers. We got a suggestion from one of the viewers. This is Bobber Rider sent us a message today, and he was suggesting with his motorcycle he did what they call the 12-minute tune, and he gave us the instructions on how to get that done. So we're going to give that a shot today. Hopefully we got a little bit of time. I got storm clouds off in the distance and we may be limited on time, but we're going to give this a shot. So Bobber Rider says to get this done we need to start the bike up without touching the throttle. We're going to let it idle until it reaches 190 degrees. He says that's simple to tell because the cooling fan's going to come on, and then we're going to let that idle for 12 more minutes and then let the bike cool off. And he says that's going to help the performance and help the sound tremendously. Also at this time I'd like to kind of give a shout out to Zeltnessus. Hope I got you right there. He sent a message, said he liked the video, and hey, we're going to get that video done for you as well on the sound of the Triumph going down the road with the H-BOMBs. Like I said, we got weather in the background. My son worked earlier today. He just got home, so the bike hasn't been here. But we're going to get that video done for you, and we'll get it put up there. So I'm going to get started on this. Thunder's rolling in the background. Let's see if we can get it done. To 190 degrees, and I'm going to leave the cameras rolling. Got two cameras going. Hopefully the weather cooperates. Alright, so the fan just kicked on. It's been 8 minutes since we first started the bike. Turned off pretty quickly, but we're going to give it another 12 minutes, let it run, and we're going to put this tune together that Bobber Rider suggested for us. Alright, so that's the 12-minute tune. Thank you, Bobber Rider, for making that suggestion. We're going to let her cool down now. Starting to sprinkle. We just barely got that done in time for the rain. Get back out here in a little bit, maybe in between rain spells, and give it a sound bite again and see how it sounds, and tie that into some of our other videos and do a sound comparison. So thank you once again, Bobber Rider, and Zeltnessus. Sorry if I'm getting that wrong. You got a video coming pretty soon also. It takes a little bit of time to get to it, but we're going to get it done for you hopefully in the next week. Thank you very much. Tune in again. See you in a little bit. We're going to do another soundbite. Alrighty, so we're back. The bike has had a chance to cool off now. We got lucky. We got the 12-minute tune done, and we got a little break in the rain. So now we're going to give it a crank up, see what it sounds like, do a sound comparison with some other videos, and see if it made a difference or not. And hey, if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. I'm an absolute rookie at videoing myself, but I'm having a good time. I'm enjoying it. We got plenty of other bikes that we're going to bring into this. We've got the Scout Bobber, we've got the Harley 48, obviously the Triumph Bobber, and we also have a Royal Enfield Classic 350 that's going to be put on the videos and on the channel. So like and subscribe, help us make some of these videos. We're having a good time. Thank you for all the suggestions, and keep bringing them on. Thank you very much. Let's do a sound check. I don't know, but it sounds really good. We'll have to put them next to each other to see if there's a real difference or not, but it sure does sound really good. Thank you very much. Thank you for the suggestion, Bobber Rider. Zeltnessus, we got a video coming for you. I've said it a couple times. It's on its way. Thank y'all. Please like and subscribe. All right, everybody, 12-minute tune. I know this isn't the Triumph, just got home today. Looks like all the bikes are gone out of the garage. Everybody rode a bike to work today. Anyways, the 12-minute tune on the Triumph. Wanted to finish up that video. Bobber Rider, thank you very much for the tip. My son, I called him earlier today to check on that tune, see how the bike was doing. I haven't had a chance to ride it yet, but he said it made an instant difference, and the bike runs smoother, accelerates smoother, everything, the engine and everything just seems to be working and running, and RPMs and everything spinning much smoother than it was before. So 12-minute tune after the exhaust update, putting on the H-BOMB headers, absolutely need to do it, was a must. Thank you, Bobber Rider. Catch you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.